Evelyn, after yesterday's trading class, it hit me. I can totally change my life. I'm diving right in. I'm joining all the trading classes you offer. Oh, and I've already withdrawn my money to get started. You have no idea how heartwarming it was to read that from Iman. And there's a lot more like that. Sometimes I kind of feel like what I'm doing is not that special. I mean, I'm just sharing some insider tips on how easy it is to make money. But then I get a message like this and realize, dang, my insights, my experience, it's really making a difference for like 18,000 people on Telegram and all you lovelies on YouTube. And think about it. Iman could have just stuck with his day job, but no. He decided he could make $2,000 to $3,000 in like 10 to 20 minutes simply by learning my strategies and trading alongside me. The bottom line is, everyone's got choices, right?
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hey traders, Evelyn here. And if you're into trading, especially binary options, then you're in the right place. Over the past 4 years, as a professional trader, I've not only fallen in love with binary options, but also managed to write a book about it. You might have even caught me on Bloomberg, chatting about the incredible opportunities binary options possesses. The best part is that this passion has paved my way to $1 million journey, allowing me to buy my dream home and car. Exciting, isn't it? Let's dive in. Oh, and before I forget, we have this super friendly community over on Telegram with over 35,000 amazing subscribers. Together, we make on average $500,000 every single day. Crazy, right? And oh my gosh, the messages of love and gratitude I get daily are just mwah.
Thank you so much for everything you have done for me.
Your signals has been amazing.
In the channel, I spill all the beans on how to trade binary options totally for free. Yep, you heard that right. I will walk you through it step by step because I've got your back and I will personally support each and every one of you. You can literally copy my trades and earn up to $800 a day. And the cherry on top, you'll get the hang of everything in just a couple of days. So who's ready to make it rain cash into your pocket? Jump into my Telegram and please shoot me a message. Let's kickstart your journey to a fabulous new life. Check out the link to the channel in the description below this video and in the pinned comment. See you there! Alright, ladies and gents, brace yourselves for yet another top-tier strategy. I'm feeling a little ambitious today, so I'm aiming for a cute $6,000. Yeah, you heard that right. Even though, let's be real, I've got just $20 left in my account. But hey, I'm a pro trader after all. Let's see how I pull this off. So without further ado, let's jump right into the settings, shall we?
So let's jump into it.
Our candlestick time frame is set at 30 seconds with a trade duration of 1 minute. Let's choose our currency pairs, the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar, Euro and the Japanese yen, Canadian dollar with the Swiss franc, and last but not least, we've got the British pound paired with the Australian dollar. Our indicator settings. First up, we've got the envelopes indicator. Let's adjust its certain values. 20, 0.06, SMA, close. Just look how much more user-friendly and clearer the indicator becomes once we've tweaked it with the right parameters. We'll also be using RSI with a period set at 14. So, let's quickly run through what our indicators for today are. The envelopes indicator is an indicator based on moving averages. Think of it this way. When you see a line on the chart tilted upwards, it's giving us a little nudge, like, hey, it's an uptrend. On the flip side, if the MA line slants down, it's kind of whispering, downtrend ahead. Now, the RSI, or the Relative Strength Index for the uninitiated. It's a technical analysis tool that basically shows the ratio of positive to negative price changes of an asset. You can use its chart to sketch out technical analysis patterns, spot those crucial support and resistance levels, and here's the juicy part. It can help you figure out if an asset might be like overbought or oversold. So, in a nutshell, envelopes is your go-to for pinpointing the current trend, while RSI, that's one's great for predicting those upcoming twisty turns. Honestly, together, they are a pretty powerful duo. Alright guys, It's time to see this duo in action. Also, it would be super awesome if you could share your experience. Which indicator do you think is the most reliable and profitable, and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Super curious to hear your take on it. I'm so hyped to get started. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Let's dive in. The pound and the Aussie. So we have a downward trend here. It's clear that the price can't break through that crucial resistance level and is pulling back. So we're going lower. Nice. Look at that. A small win already. $38. I have a feeling like today's trading session is gonna be great. We're just warming up. There is a trend reversal happening on this pair. Looks like the bulls have run out of steam. So we're going lower. Just a little more. And yes, sweet! We are up $73. Okay, let's see. Yep, the trading period has ended and we've got a break through the resistance level. Oh, and the RSI is also hinting at a downward move. We're going lower. Voila! And just like that, our account's up to $140. We're on fire, guys. What's this? Oh, clearly a continuation of a downward trend. The wavy lines of the envelopes are doing their thing again. Such an obvious setup. But hey, we're good with hints, so let's hit lower. And we nailed it! Awesome! We are up to $269, ladies and gents. If you're looking to up your binary options trading game, my videos are just the thing for you. Give this one a like. I mean, I'm here working my magic just for you, right?
You're goddamn right.
And there we have it. I'm in full-on trading mode now. Let's make that money rain. Both indicators are pointing up. It means that we're in for some active trading and possibly the start of a bullish trend. Clicking higher. Boom! Nailed it with style. Our balance is $516. Who's the queen?
I am the queen.
Yep, that's right. I am. Seriously, who else makes making money look this good? An upward move is clear since the candles are itching to reach that resistance level. Bet. Beautifully done. Sitting pretty with 991 coins. I've got a feeling like this session's only getting better. Because you know, I'm as good a trader as Pythia.
What do you think?
It looks like we've got a reversal from the current peak here. So the trend's headed down, bears are taking over the market, or should I say their claws are. Betting on a decrease. Wow, yes! And we are up $1,903. And you know what that means? We're inching closer to our goal. Alright, the downtrend's kicking into high gear and shows no signs of slowing down. Both indicator lines are moving just as we predicted. Hit that sell button. Alright. Yes, brilliant. Each trade we make is just art. And look at that number. $2,823. And to keep those skills sharp, it's essential to explore and test as many winning strategies as possible. Let me share with you a super profitable tool in a video where I earned $3,397 in less than a 15-minute session. It's such an effective strategy. Click right here or check out the link in the description to learn all about it.
Oh yeah!
We're so close, guys. Come on, let's see. Oh yeah, the cycles come to an end. The RSI lines hit that critical point, making an upward move unlikely. Going lower. Boom! We just hit $3,743, all cause I've got some tricks up in my sleeve. Kinda like a secret agent. Okay, let's see. Both our indicators are hinting we're gonna go higher. Seems the price is aiming for a new peak. Let's click up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we've made profit again! Sweet! Our account's at $4,663 now. Just a little bit more to go. The candles are still heading downward, even after hitting that resistance line. Pressing lower. What a fantastic close! Oh my gosh, our balance has nearly hit $5,000. Actually, it's $5,583. That's amazing! The indicators hint at the continuation of an upward trend. Let's get behind this move. Hitting down. And simply spectacular! Amazing! We did it! We've bumped our balance up to $6,503. Whoa, 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 that's a smashing outcome, considering it took us like, what? 15-minute tops. So I've got to spill some tea here. I've not just once, but multiple times made 6K in just 15 minutes. Yep, you heard it right. That's precisely how I afforded my dream cars, my fairy tale home, and those fancy vacations. And get this, my success story even landed me an interview with Bloomberg about binary options. How cool is that? And guess what? You can totally reach these heights too. I mean, why not? Join my Telegram channel, which, by the way, already has a fabulous community of 18,000 amazing people. Together, we average around $800 every single day. I get tons of messages daily from you lovelies telling me how my book has helped you rake in that extra cash, and how with my strategies, signals, and a dash of my personal touch, you've transformed your lives for the better. How much better? Happier better. I mean, can you even?
Evelyn, keep doing what you're doing. You are changing lives through your free signals.
So, if you're thinking, I want in on this, here's what you gotta do. Click on the very first link in the description to join my Telegram channel. Slide into my DMs with a message. From there, darling, you'll be under my wing. I'll be sharing all my trade secrets with you, from which currency pair to bet on to using pocket option. I've got your back, even down to which buttons to press. Crystal clear, step by step. And the cherry on top, you can copy all my trades absolutely free and potentially earn an average of $800 daily. I'm here for every single one of you, every day. So in just a couple of days, even if you're a total newbie, you'll get the hang of trading and might even see your first earnings.
I just started trading 2 days ago. I started with 100 euros and I'm already up to 500 euros right now.
I get it. Trading, strategies, signals, indicators might sound like rocket science to some, but look at me, right? It's all super simple and I'll personally guide you through it. All you have to do is follow my lead and you can consistently see results like mine. I can't wait to dive deep into the world of trading with you and help you kickstart your dream life. So what are you waiting for? Hop onto my Telegram. First link in the description and pinned comment below the video. Let's rock this together.
I wanna rock!
So, are you feeling like the chosen one yet? Feeling lucky you stumbled upon my channel? Heck yeah! I think I've earned some likes and comments for this session, don't you? And oh, I've got a video with an awesome strategy that helped me make a cool $5,936 effortlessly in just 12 minutes. Think you can outdo me? Prove it! Click right here or find the link in the description. Trust me, it's a must-watch. And hey, invite more of your friends to my channel. Let's build a massive and successful community together. Sending all my love your way. Kisses. Bye-bye, kittens. See you in my cozy little Telegram.